Hello guys, today got first spanner in our Renault, check injection. We will see what this will be. I was already checking on the internet what this could be, hoping it's just this little sensor. But while we're at it, I just wanted to show you one thing what I managed to buy, because I did try to plug it in to my normal OBD scanner. That means like one little dongle what you connecting your phone to, but to be honest didn't work. So I bought something like that, Icarsoft, apparently professional. We will see. I know it worked because I already plugged it in, so works with the Renault. If you ever wonder where OBD port is, it's just behind this panel, what comes out quite easy, and over here you've got your OBD port. So now we'll quickly plug that in and I will show you what we've got. Read fault code, boost pressure circuits, signal amplitude maximum. So and the second one is turbocharger function, signal amplitude maximum. So that's why I'm hoping that will be just faulty sensor giving the wrong signal, but we will see today. That's our problem, is little valve what is not working and is not giving us the pressure, and that's why the, as far I know, lower turbo doesn't work, and that's why we've got all the problem. This little thing, ordered from Amazon, link will be in the description, and hopefully as far I know that's supposed to work. 37 quid, not bad, better than changing the turbo or something like that, and as far I know it's like 5-minute job, hopefully not an hour. As you can see, the thing what we're talking about is buried over here. One second, I'll try to show you. It is over there, you can barely see it, just over here where my finger is. Here you've got a unit, you've got 2 bolts to undo on here, top and bottom, clip over here on this side, and 2 hoses on this side. So I will do that quickly and I will come back to you. He says. Okay, so I did use this little screwdriver to poke the little metal pin to open the, to remove the socket, and now I just need to remove the little hoses. Not that I can see what I'm doing, but okay, that's out. As you can see over here, something like that. We'll quickly slide the new one in. Okay, now neutral cable. Need to plug the cable. So nice if I could see what I'm doing properly. Okay. Okay, so after a few swear words and stuff like that, we finally managed to fit this here and how it's connected. Previously, as I said, we removed this one that is upstream turbo sensor, boost sensor, something like that, is sitting over here. Yeah, and I didn't film it because my battery ran out, so sorry about that, but it's pretty simple as well. Awkward, but pretty simple. Again, you just need to remove the air intake over here. This tube comes out together with those. There is little bolt underneath here what you have to remove, and then all of that comes out. Here the bracket got as well one bolt, you have to remove that, and then that's all comes out. The only one thing is the Jubilee clips what they put, they one use only, so you have to remove the Jubilee clip, damage it, remove, and then you need another Jubilee clip. It's about 10 mm size, and put it on to put the sensor on, and of course put the cable back on. Okay, now we're going to check inside if I think this works. Hopefully it will. So take all of that, and now going over here, and we will clear fault memory. F1, okay. Erase operation done. So we're supposed to be all good. Exit F1. So now we'll go for a quick test drive, and we will see. So it has been over a week since I changed the solenoid in the car, and everything works perfectly, I have to admit. Turbo works how it's supposed to. The fan got loads of power compared to what it had before, so I think that's what was the problem. And if you've got similar problems, similar source codes, you can, I think, try doing the same thing what I've done. Not mechanic, so I'm not saying that follow my advice or anything. You're doing that on your own risk if you want to. If you want to use the same parts what I used, there will be a link in the description below, so hopefully that will help somebody. Thank you very much for watching. If you like, you want, press this like button. If you want, you can subscribe. I'll be doing loads of more stuff to this Renault. We're converting it to the camper van as well, so there will be loads of content coming out soon. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon. Bye.